Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia XA1 Ultra, and I'll show you how to enter the test mode. So to do it, we'll need to open Dialer, and from here you will put this code in. And now you have the service test, and from here you can test a couple of different things. Let's say like display, you can tap on it to check if all the pixels are okay and how it looks like. You can also check, say, speakers, they work, vibration, so yeah, there's a bunch of other options here to test, and yeah, so that's how you enable it, or find it, I guess. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.